Let's learn how you can fix this app is not available in your country or region. This is only tutorial for iPhone, so let us go. First, let's open settings application. You will have to go to your Apple ID, scroll down and click on media and purchases. Then click on view account. Wait until it finishes loading, and now you will have to scan your Face ID and enter your password, iCloud password. Once you do that, it will open your account settings. Now you will have to click on this country / region option, and what you're gonna do is to click on this change region button. And for example, you want to choose some bigger and famous country that has every update first. For example, it's Germany. So when you go and click it, it will open your tab, click on agree. And here you will have to set payment method, billing name, billing address. So this billing address is important. If you want, you don't need to set payment method, just click on none and it will remove itself. So this billing address section is important. You have to write that. Once you do that, click on next and done, and it will be changed to Germany. So thanks.